The Circular Drive initiative seeks to revolutionize the automotive industry by transforming end-of-life vehicles, ELVs, from environmental liabilities into valuable resources. This initiative establishes a closed-loop system where junked and scrapped cars are dismantled, sorted, and recycled into raw materials, such as steel, aluminum, plastics, and rare metals, to be reintroduced into the manufacturing process for new vehicles. By treating automotive waste as a renewable industrial input, this program aims to drastically reduce the industry's carbon footprint, minimize landfill waste, and foster a sustainable manufacturing economy built on resource recovery. Every year, millions of vehicles reach the end of their lifespan and are abandoned, junked, or exported as scrap. While some parts are salvaged, the majority of materials, particularly plastics, glass, and composites, end up in landfills or contribute to pollution. This linear make, use, discard model consumes massive amounts of virgin raw materials, emits significant greenhouse gases during mining and manufacturing, and wastes recoverable resources that could be reintegrated into production. Vision: to create a zero-waste automotive ecosystem where every car that reaches its end of life becomes the foundation for the next generation of vehicles. Mission: to establish a nationwide network of recycling and reprocessing facilities that recover materials from junked vehicles and feed them back into car manufacturing supply chains, creating a sustainable, circular economy for the automotive industry. Objectives: recover and recycle. Reclaim up to 90% of materials from end-of-life vehicles, including metals, plastics, glass, and rubber. Reduce emissions. Cut CO2 emissions associated with mining and manufacturing by up to 60% through material reuse. Redesign for recycling. Partner with automakers to develop eco-design standards. Cars engineered for easier disassembly and material recovery. Job creation. Generate green jobs in recycling, material science, logistics, and manufacturing sectors. Consumer participation. Launch a Return for Renewal program offering incentives for consumers who return old vehicles for responsible recycling. Implementation Framework 1. National Vehicle Recovery Network. Create certified collection centers in urban and rural areas to recover junked and abandoned vehicles. These centers will dismantle cars safely, separating reusable components. Sort materials for specialized recycling, metal, polymer, glass, electronic waste. Feed data into a central tracking system to ensure full life cycle accountability. 2. Material reclamation hubs. Establish regional processing hubs equipped with advanced shredding, sorting, and smelting technologies to extract high-purity metals and resins. Recovered materials will be standardized to meet automotive-grade specifications for reintegration into new car production. 3. Industry collaboration. Partner with major automakers, suppliers, and design engineers to incorporate recycled materials into new vehicle models. Develop modular car components designed for easy disassembly. Establish circular supply contracts, linking manufacturers directly to recovered material suppliers. 4. Legislative and economic incentives. Work with federal and state governments to offer tax credits to manufacturers that use certified recycled materials. Implement extended producer responsibility, EPR, policies to hold manufacturers accountable for vehicle end-of-life management. Provide consumer rebates for turning in junk vehicles through approved recycling programs. 5. Research and innovation. Fund R&D partnerships with universities and green tech firms to develop new recycling techniques for composite and polymer materials. Innovate cleaner smelting and recovery technologies. Pilot digital tagging systems using RFID or blockchain for full traceability of recycled materials in manufacturing chains. Expected outcomes. Environmental impact. 70% reduction in landfill waste from scrapped vehicles. 50% reduction in extraction of new raw materials. Significant decrease in industry-wide CO2 emissions. Economic impact. Creation of thousands of jobs in recycling and advanced manufacturing. Lower production costs through reuse of domestic recycled materials. Strengthen national supply chain independence. Social impact. Public engagement through sustainability programs. Cleaner communities free of abandoned vehicles. Education initiatives promoting circular economy awareness. Long-term vision. The closed-loop car by 2040 The Circular Drive initiative envisions that every new car produced will be made of at least 80% recycled materials recovered from retired vehicles, completing the cycle of automotive sustainability and redefining the industry's relationship with waste.